Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to use OpenAI, Python, Zapier, and Shopify, and Google Sheets, and we're going to coordinate it all together. We're going to create a workflow that is based off of coordinating these APIs, inputting a list of blog post ideas, and then publishing unlimited AI-generated blog posts to your Shopify site. You could repurpose this code to work with WordPress or many other platforms. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how this all works. I have my Python code here. We're using OpenAI, GSpread, OAuth 2 client. We authenticate our app here. We select our spreadsheet here. We import our list of blog post ideas. Let's do, we just wrote one about everything you want to know about road bike size. And let's do, how about road bike frame material. Okay, that'll be the next one we make. So we're going to write a blog. We're going to automatically generate and publish a blog post based on this. It goes through the blog posts. It puts together an intro that's 250 words, a body that's 500 words, and then a conclusion that's 250 words again. It concatenates those all together. It uploads to Google Sheets the title and the blog post itself. And once it gets into Google Sheets, we use Zapier to automatically publish that to Shopify. It's super nifty. Here is the sheets we're using, and we're gonna load row 5. So we're gonna hit this play button, and then row 5 will be populated with everything you wanted to know about road bike frame material and a 1,000 word AI generated blog post about that. I'm just gonna give it a couple of seconds for it to load. Hit the subscribe button if you like this sort of content. I make fun automations on this channel. I work a lot with machine learning, AI, and what do you know it? Our blog post just got automatically generated. Everything you want to know about road bike frame material we have here. Oops. Yeah, there you go. We have here our blog post, 1,000 words. And then now we just have to wait for it to show up here. The only slow part of this whole automation is Zapier. Zapier is the lagging part of it. You know what? And while we wait, let's just go back through the code here. So yeah, we have our blog post ideas.csv, blog posts, just simple for loop. It extracts the text into an intro, body, and conclusion, and then it creates the blog post, which is a just new variable that's intro plus body plus conclusion. Blog post.append idea and blog post. For blog post in blog post, sheet.append row. So it's so easy. This is such a concise, it's 73 lines including spaces. So you're really looking at like 65 lines of code. And then let's see if this has worked yet. Not yet. And then I have my Zapier integration that just new spreadsheet rows in Google Sheets creates this blog entry. Just got to give it a few seconds. If you want to know more about this, and you have more questions about the code itself, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll answer your questions. The only thing I'd really have to get into to teach you how to do this on your own, it's these 3 lines. These 3 lines here, you've got to create this JSON key. So this is like a JSON file, and you go into your Google Cloud Console and generate a file and save it locally. I have mine right there. I don't want to make that public, because it's my private stuff, but you create the client. It's pretty easy stuff. you know, it'll give you errors all along the way, and then you just troubleshoot the errors, and you'll be able to figure it out. Yeah, there it is. And here's our blog post just now. Everything you wanted to know about frame material. So we turned this prompt automatically into this blog post. You could add more formatting if you wanted to. You could put this on a timer. You could put it on a cron job. There's a million ways you could do it. Or you could just, every day, you just go in there and you come up with 10 blog post ideas, you load up your CSV and you hit play. But this is such a fantastic tool. If you want me to set this up for you, I'm happy to do that as well. If you want me to implement this workflow for your business, drop me an email. Go to the About Me section on this on the YouTube channel. You'll find my email there. Send me an email, and I could probably set this up for you for, like, I don't know, name your price. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.